Hi all. In this video, we will demonstrate how we can use dynamic variables to start outbound calls using a set of variables from any other system using our APIs, right? So as a first step, as you know, we have to set up the assistant. We are using the regular assistant here, the LLM model to be 4.0 mini with English as a voice. Okay, so here in the prompt, you can see these placeholders starting with double ampersand sign. So you can see this my name as the one of the variable. Then you have reason for call as the second variable. Similarly, you have the SMS number, which could be used to send a follow-up SMS to the end user by passing it dynamically in the prompt, right? So this is what we have as a prompt. You save it. We have attached two tools to it. Um, One is the SMS tool by Twilio, so that is there. The second one is to basically disconnect the call once the message is conveyed. We have mentioned the reference to these tools. The SMS one is presented here, and the tool to disconnect the call is mentioned over here, right? Like once they acknowledge the response. Uh, Next, we go to the so this assistant is basically deployed on Twilio. We have the widget ID. So we go to the Swagger page. We enter the widget ID. I have already put up the API key to make the transaction. And this is how the request body should look like, right? So it has the prompt dynamic variable as a key value object. All the variables that we had there in the prompt, they should be used here, right? They can be overwritten from this. Like whatever we write the value of these variables will be overwritten in real time when it is processed by our engine. So we mentioned the name as Bob. We mentioned the assistant name to be Anna. The reason for call to be the for confirmation of tomorrow's appointment at the clinic, right? It could be anything. SMS number. This is the number of the patient or the person who we are calling to, so that they can like we can send the SMS in real time. And then this is the number to whom you want to call. So I'll start the call now, and then we will attach the Twilio recording post the call, right? All right. So I'll take the call now, and we will attach the recording right after this. Thank you.
Hi, Bob. This is Anna from the Steve Clinic. Are you free for a moment?
Yeah, tell me please.
I'm calling to confirm your appointment for tomorrow at the clinic.
Sure, I will be there. Thank you.
Thank you for your time, Bob.
So yeah, guys. So as you must have observed, it used my name as I passed here as Bob, and it sent the same message that was to be conveyed to the user, and it used her own name as Anna. So yeah, I will show you second example also in case I refused to take the call. So in that case, it will send me the SMS as it was written in the prompt, right? So let me record that now. Thank you.
Hi, Bob. This is Anna from the Steve Clinic. Are you free for a moment?
Sorry, I'm occupied with something. Can you call back me later?
Thank you for your time, Bob. I've sent you a message regarding your appointment. Have a great day.